getmybabymoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Welcome back to Child Support Court Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. We're going to continue our analysis of a statement given by 50 Cent and child support issues. Let's go right into it.
He's been given every advantage in the world, far beyond most kids born in the ghetto. But he still feels like he's been somehow cheated or robbed by me. It's a sin.
Oh, yeah. Do you realize that money, I guess you don't. That's what's sad about this, but that's what's the point of the issue. A child needs a parent before they need money. And this is why Child Support Court, the vodcast, is so important. We're changing the definition. You, sir, Mr. Sense, are falling right into the trap that the system has set up by saying money is more than presence. Let's continue to live. Let's continue to listen. Let's continue to listen. He has been robbed, but not by gunpoint, but maybe absence. Maybe.
Scenario I never imagined I'd find myself in with my firstborn child. But here we are. Entitlement creates resentment. There have been a lot of disappointing moments in my relationship with Marquise over the past few years. But the lowest was when I saw him post a picture of himself with Kyle McGriff, the son of Kenneth Supreme McGriff. Without rehashing too much bad history, Kenneth McGriff was one of the biggest drug dealers in Queens, and the man the authorities believe was behind the attempt on my life. So by posing with his son, Marquise was basically co-signing an individual who might have tried to have his father killed. I had known Marquise resented me for a while, but I never imagined he would hate me so much that he'd allow himself to be used as a prop by my enemy.
This is a lot to digest, and I'm going to get into it right after we come back from this sponsor. You come back because this is really deep. Come on back. Getting married has been made easier. Don't wait. If you are in love, get your wedding ceremony performed virtually or in person at one of our many locations. Get your nuptials in no time. Now you have a friend in the wedding business. Go to streamingvows.com today. Welcome back to Child Support Court Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. Mr. Sense, I am so, I feel where you're coming from. I just hope that you understand, like, and this goes beyond Mr. Sense or 50 Cents. This goes to every parent out there who does not understand that the support of a child starts with your presence. It starts with your being there. It starts with your communicating, interacting, talking, spending time with that child. Something that money actually gives you the ability to do. But according to this, it seems like you've missed that. Ladies and gentlemen, don't miss the point that money does not replace presence. And I'm not saying presents like you give presents. Let me bring it back. Okay, money does not replace your being present in the child's life as they develop and grow. I hope I can get through this. Let's keep listening.
Someone recently sent me a quote from Benjamin Franklin that really resonated with me. Franklin's son had sided with the British in the Revolutionary War, despite the fact that his father was one of the leaders of the revolution. It messed with Ben Franklin for the rest of his life. He wrote, "Nothing has ever hurt me so much and affected me with such keen sensation as to find myself deserted in my old age by my only son. And not only deserted, but to find him taking up arms against me, in a cause wherein my good fame, fortune, and life were all at stake." Marquise might not have been literally taking up arms against me, but he was standing next to the son of someone who might have. I could recognize Franklin's pain.
We're back. Now I'm going to continue this conversation or this dialogue by Mr. Sense, but it kind of don't make sense. And I'm going to tell you why. He just referred to a quote by Ben Franklin on the status that Mr. Franklin had with his son who took up arms against him. Do we know Mr. Franklin's relationship with the son? May very well be similar to you and Marquise. Ladies and gentlemen, enough for today. Thank you for joining Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Bowden. We'll be back to finish this off next time.